guys, welcome back. I forgot to film an intro for this video. I just jumped in and pulled the engine out real quick, tore it apart to see exactly what went wrong. So this video is just me ripping everything apart. Now, there's explicit language because I'm just sending it over to some buddies to analyze and see what we could find out through the video. So take it for what it is. Yeah, check it out. Well, we've already got the one jack cylinder out. Pan is dropped, nice and holy. Some action going on here. Let's see if I can turn this girl over real quick. Sorry, a little hard with one hand. Actually, let me just turn this off and start over. All right, she is a bit too big of a girl to get over. I don't know if that's bearing material. Yeah, bearing material. Here. And maybe some heat in this. Let's pull this bad boy apart. I'll get ready to pull out, but there's the bearing getting shoved out the side. Don't see that on the rest. I'll pull the cap off this and send it over. That's just a fucking cap, isn't it? Let's see. Bearing material, I'm guessing. Journal looks like dog shit. More shit all the way around. And let me push this out and we'll see the other what the other side looks like. She has been nice and hot. Oh, I guess there's not a bearing in here either. It's all, I'm guessing, smushed out the side, so beat the bearings out of it. And somewhere down in here, I'm guessing. Or out the side. Yeah, mains aren't looking too hot either. I have to beat that off there, but give me a minute. That's the other main in front of it. One. Now the bearing stayed here. Oops. On that one. Okay, here's number one. There's the other side of number one. Sorry, I got a phone call. Here's number three. And there you go. Push this one out. All the skirts are scratched up. They didn't have any sort of coating on them, so I don't know how much of a difference that makes. Same when you look down in there, you can see where it's been. Okay, we are on number 4. Some more discoloration. All right, so this is the cap on number 4. You can see she has seen better, much better days there. So, and just so the people of the internet and the world believe, I'm just picking up, flipping over, bearing stuck there. This is number 6. Yummy. Let me push this one out. Is the other side of 6. Oh, what we got going on here? This is the one beside the number 5, so looks like it got heat there too. Another main, number 4. Yeah, not good. This is number 1. I mean, the Torrington seems fine. Back at the rear main. Whoa, way there. Look at number 2 here. Shoo. These are the bearings. There's the 360 on the back. Still one on the front. Some heat. Now keep in mind, right beside it is where this happened. So, piece of a bearing. All right, so there you have it. Sent everything over. It looks like it is a little bit of dirty assembly, but mainly the clearances are too tight on the mains on the rod. So it looks like it would have been good for stock, but when you're putting down almost 1,000 to the wheel right away, just it wasn't enough. Number 2, about to let go. Number 5 obviously did let go. But I will say through all of this, I really appreciate the people that reached out, offered to help anyway. A lot of cool Australians and shops in Australia reached out to see if they could help me figure out what went wrong, if they could help me get stuff back together. So I really appreciate anybody that offered any kind of help at all. As for the people in the comments, I mean, look at my car. Did you really think it was a stock block? I mean, shouldn't have to explain. But anyway, more to come. We will get it back together. I'm already debating on how to make it better than before, so might change the setup some. And yeah, stay tuned. We'll see where it goes. We also are going to have a new upcoming project for the LS guys out there. You're going to want to stay tuned and check out some of the good old LS stuff. Thanks, guys. See you.